Mikey and Watson. Mikey, I don't know if he wants to attack or play with Watson, but he wants to play. Go on. What's going on? Is Mikey going to let you down there? Do you think? Let's see. Mikey, what are you doing? Boy, you're brave. Boy, you're brave, Watson. Well, he's not going to come after you and play with you. Okay, so what? You're going to try again or what? What? Attaboy. Come on, Mikey. He just wants to have fun. Come on. Don't go hiding behind me. Oh, Mikey. Ooh. He's not gonna play with you. Mikey, be nice. Go play with him. Go play with him.